This video shows the installation of a PVC-U window into a brick and block reveal with cavity and the Ilbruck i3 system applied as the perimeter seal, providing the benefits of weather tightness, thermal insulation and air tightness. The Ilbruck products to be used for this demonstration are Compraband TP600 impregnated tape as an external weather seal, FM230 Pro Foam window for thermal insulation, and ME500 Duo Flexible Window Membrane to provide air tightness. The ME500W version includes acrylic and butyl self-adhesive strips on opposite faces of the membrane. The membrane is bonded to the frame edge using the acrylic strip and applied all around the frame. At each corner, it's necessary to create a fold of approximately 20 mm by pinching the extra material together, allowing the acrylic self-adhesive strips to bond to each other. Allow a 50 mm overlap when the membranes reach the start point. Pinch the corner folds as previously. Consolidate the bond to the frame by rolling. Once the membrane is fully applied, locate the fixing brackets and install the window. Apply the TP600 under the sill. Ensure the tape is firmly bonded to the structure by pressing with a flat blade. Now apply the TP600 to the head. A skewer is useful to make the initial location of the TP600 into the joint and ensure the end of the tape is tight in the opening. Continue the application to the sides of the frame, using a flat blade where necessary to ensure the tape is seated properly. The FM230 Pro Foam window is applied into the perimeter joint, providing thermal insulation. On some substrates, ME902 primer may be necessary to ensure satisfactory bonding of the butyl strip on the ME500. The liner is removed from the butyl strip and the ME500 bonded to the reveal. Carry on all around the frame. Seal the overlap with SP525 and use a roller to consolidate the bond. The ME500 is now fully bonded to the reveal. Seal the gap between sill and reveal with Ilbruck FS500 frame and facade silicone. The i3 installation is now complete and the window sealed on 3 levels with the BBA accredited Ilbruck i3 system.